dear students. Today we are going to start about additive inverse. What is additive inverse? A and B are two matrices of same order. Same order are additive inverse of each other. If A plus B is equal to O, which is additive identity, is equal to B plus A. If A is a matrix 1, 2, 7, 3, minus 4, 6, minus 1, minus 7, 0. The negative of A is additive inverse of matrix A. So B is equal to minus A, which is the additive inverse of A. Always remember minus 1, minus 2, negative of matrix. By changing their sign, we can find negative of this matrix. Minus 7, minus 3, plus 4, minus 6, 1, 7 and 0. So these are the two matrix additive inverse. How we can prove that they are additive inverse of each other? A plus B, 1, 2, 7, 3, minus 4, 6, minus 1, minus 7, 0, plus minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 6, 1, 7, 0. By adding them, 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, 3 minus 3 also 0, minus 4 plus 4, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, minus 1 plus 1, 0, minus 7 plus 7, 0, and 0 plus 0 is also 0, which is equal to a null matrix or additive identity. So additive inverse is the negative of matrix. Any matrix, these are additive inverse of each other. Here A is additive inverse of B and B is additive inverse of A. So both of them are additive inverse of each other. So these are the additive inverse. We can find it also by adding B plus A, which will be also equal to a null matrix of order 3 by 3.